Hey guys, welcome to my bedroom. I am ready to jump in and do a huge, massive closet declutter and purge. So let me show you where I am at this point and what I have to work with. So as you can see, there are literally mounds of clothes on top of one another. It's just overwhelming. Everything on that top shelf is impossible to reach, so I never wear them. And I need to thin out about 50% of what I have in here. I have started organizing a little bit before recording. I did have that white plastic drawer full, like I couldn't even shut the drawers. So I pulled out a bunch of tank tops and got rid of those. And here are my dresses, and I wear about 20% of those. My drawers are overflowing. Everything is just thrown into a big pile, and I only wear a few of them. This is my jean drawer. I don't wear any of the jeans in here. The jeans I actually wear are in the wash right now. I'm going to be just brutal and get rid of everything that I'm not wearing and find a better organizational system for this closet. All right, so wish me luck. Okay, I tackled that top rack, and now to move on to the middle. I don't even know what's in those baskets. This is where we're at. Hello. For day one. So this is a donate pile. This is a pile to sell. And this is a throwaway pile. And these are all things that need to go back into the closet that I'm keeping. And look at all these organizational things that I have tried. I have to figure out a home for these. And then this is what the closet looks like right now. I'm halfway done purging, and then I still have to organize. So I would say I'm using modified KonMari approach, or maybe just inspired by KonMari. I'm trying to touch every single piece of clothing. I didn't have the space or time to put everything on the floor at once, but I am trying to really think about every single piece and touch each piece of clothing. And if you stay to the end, you'll see how I do my folding and organization for a lot of the items using that KonMari approach. Okay, so here's everything I ended up getting rid of, and I donated it to a local non-for-profit thrift store and then just have one small box to sell. Hey guys, so it's been 2 weeks since I purged my closet and I've got the organization figured out. So let me show you what my closet looks like now. So there's nothing on the top shelf because I can't really reach up there. This shelf has my bulky sweaters and one pair of dress pants. This container has my skirts, and this has all of my swimming suits and cover-ups for swimming. I just hang my extra hangers on this middle section. And then over here are my scarves on a scarf hanger and my belts, and then just a couple of dresses hanging there. Here I have my jeans. I only have 3 pair now, and I would like to pick one more pair up that fits well. These are all my under tank tops. These are just the plain ones, and these are nursing ones. I do need to kind of thin this out a little bit. Here are all my sports bras and nursing bras and socks and underwear. On here are my shirts that I have hanging. I have tank tops, t-shirts, gym shirts, 3/4 lengths and long sleeve shirts, and hoodies. Biggest changes. I'm obsessed with how easy it is to find what I need. Here I have my long leggings. Here are capri leggings, and here are my shorts. This drawer, if you remember from the beginning of the video, is literally just a pile thick of leggings and shorts that I couldn't even find anything ever. Most of them I didn't even wear. And you can see how I have them folded in the KonMari way, and it makes them super easy to see everything that I have and easy to grab. So down here I have all my pajamas. I have pants, shorts, shirts, and a robe. So that is everything. Now that I have it done, I just keep wanting to purge more. I'm seeing stuff that I'm not wearing. I'm gonna give it a couple more weeks and just kind of test out what things I'm not wearing and purge even more. So I hope this gives you guys some motivation to clean out your closets as well. Bye!